In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now choose All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Following that, use the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!